embed on a page. So I'm in my pages, and I'm just gonna create a new page. And I'm just going to call this embedding. So we've talked about this little HTML editor down here. And if I flip over, there's nothing there because there's nothing on my page right now. But I'm going to show you how to use embed codes to embed things right here on the page to limit navigation issues, right? So kids don't have to leave Canvas to access things. So I'm going to sort of show you how to do that with a couple different things. The first place I'm going to show you is YouTube. So if I'm on here, usually under a YouTube video, there'll be this little thing that says share, and you'll see this icon a lot on different pages. So if I click on this, and I get these little more greater than, less than symbols. If I click on that, you'll see it gives me this big code over here. So I'm just going to hit copy, and it'll tell me down here that it's copied to the clipboard, which is great. And then if I go back over to my page, and I need to make sure I'm in this editor, I'm just going to hit paste. And it gives me all that wacky stuff, which is great that I don't have to figure out how to do that. And then you'll see the video is right there. So I can add lots of different things using embed code. So like a Quizlet has an embed code option. And a lot of places do. You just have to sort of search around for them to find them. But you either want those greater than or less than symbols, or you want, a lot of times it'll just say embed. So if I click in Quizlet on these little more, you'll see that the embed code is right here. And then it gives me this thing, and it just usually, I have copy HTML. And then if I go back to that page, if I click right here, I'm just going to hit enter a couple times, and I'm going to hit paste. So now I have two things embedded. I'm getting really fancy on here. So you'll see the YouTube. Then if I scroll down, sometimes it takes it a second. It's there. I can see it. There it goes. The Quizlet's right here. So if I hit save, you'll see that my page now has two things embedded in it, which means students don't have to go anywhere. So I might put a little video up here that I want them to watch, and then have a Quizlet sort of for them to practice something that they learned. You can do that all within a page, just knowing how to use that embed code and knowing where to find that HTML editor. So play around. If you've got websites that you like, look for that embed code, and you can always come back here to this HTML editor and add it in there. Enjoy!